I go to college. I go to college. I study hard. I study hard. I attend classes. I attend classes. I complete assignments. I complete assignments. I pass my exams. I pass my exams. I earn good grades. I earn good grades. I learn many things. I learn many things. I choose a major. I choose a major. I pick a field of study. I pick a field of study. I attend lectures. I attend lectures. I write papers. I write papers. I do research. I do research. I ask questions. I ask questions. I work with professors. I work with professors. I join clubs. I join clubs. I graduate from college. I graduate from college. I feel proud. I feel proud. I celebrate with my family. I celebrate with my family. I achieved my goal. I achieved my goal. I am ready for my future. I am ready for my future. I can find a job. I can find a job. I can pursue my dreams. I can pursue my dreams. I am a graduate. I am a graduate. I am excited for what's next. I am excited for what's next. I hold my bachelor's degree high. I hold my bachelor's degree high. It's a great accomplishment. It's a great accomplishment.